check it out. Today's June 10th, 2017, and I'm at the grotto. I'm not gonna jump in today because I'm actually on call, but I had a little free time and just drove up here to check it out. All right.
This is what we call the grotto. And look how beautiful the water is.
Alright folks, I am back at Bird Island. About to check it out. Oh yeah, and in the back of my new car, Lexus NX 200T. Handles well on the road. Let's check out Bird Island. Here I am. And there's Bird Island behind me. Peace out.
Welcome to Suicide Cliff. On top of Suicide Cliff.
Here I am on top of Suicide Cliff. People used to jump from here and kill themselves. Fortunately, I'm in a happy mood, so I'm just gonna enjoy the view. Peace out.